Hello friends, welcome to my channel English Easy Learning. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Friends, can you tell me the meaning of desire? Desire, that is a strong feeling of wanting something very much. That is a strong wish. In the poem Basket Full of Moonlight, the poet has introduced us the same feeling, that is desire. We can see here the desire, a strong wish of a child to get moonlight. So friends, let's listen this poem in voice of Manasvi Bankari. A basket full of moonlight.
Basket full of moonlight. O moon, give me moonlight. Basket full or two baskets full with seeds of moonlight. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to saw many small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back, as my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart flies. When my father returns home, I am asleep, and he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark road so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. The speaker of the poem, a small child, requests the moon to give him moonlight. He wants a basket full or two baskets full of moonlight. With seeds of moonlight, the child wants to sow the seeds of moonlight on the sides of the path that lead to his village from the city. He wants to sow many small moons of light all along the path. According to the child, the whole village goes to the city work. By the time of their return to the village, it's become quite dark, as his village is quite far off from the city. Moreover, the route to the village is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Still the village have a tread the same path, as there is no cart or bus service. In the case of the child, the speaker of the poem, he is always asleep by the time his father returns home from work. Then again, the father leaves early from work in the morning while the child is still asleep. So, the child repeats his request from a basket full of moonlight on loan. The child wants to light the dark route to his village so that his father can return early in the evening. Like any other child, he too wants to hear fairy tales and stories from his father. In conclusions, the child again earnestly requests the moon to give him a basket full of moonlight so that he can sow the seeds of moon on the sides of the path that lead to the village from the city.
Very good, Manasvi. Basket full of moonlight ही कविता आपल्याला चंद्राच्या दुनियेमध्ये नेते. या कवितेद्वारे सुनील शर्मा यांनी लहान मुलाचं रूप घेतलेलं आहे आणि ते आपली इच्छा त्या चंद्राला बोलून दाखवत आहेत. तर जसं आपण बघतो की चंद्र हा नेहमीच लहान मुलांच्या आकर्षणाचा विषय असतो, हो की नाही? आणि म्हणून ते आपल्या कल्पनाशक्तीद्वारे त्या चंद्राशी संवाद साधत असतात. चला तर आपण पाहूया या कवितेमध्ये सुनील शर्मा काय सांगतायत. ओ मून, give me moonlight, basket full or two baskets full with seeds of moonlight. तर इथे लहान मुलगा हा चंद्राला विनंती करतोय की हे चंद्रा, तू मला टोपली भर किंवा दोन टोपल्या भरून चांदण्यांच्या बिया दे. तर तो बिया का बरं मागत असेल? फ्रॉम द सिटी टू माय विलेज ऑन द साइड्स ऑफ द पाथ आय वॉन्ट टू सॉ मेनी स्मॉल स्मॉल मून्स ऑफ लाईट. तर इथे आपल्याला दिसतं आहे की त्याची ही इच्छा आहे की शहरापासून त्याच्या गावापर्यंत रस्त्याच्या दोन्ही कडेला त्याला या चांदण्यांच्या बिया ह्या पेरायच्या आहेत. द होल विलेज गोज टू द सिटी डेली टू वर्क. आणि त्याचं असं म्हणणं आहे की गावातले सगळे लोक, बरेचसे लोक हे शहरामध्ये कामासाठी रोज जाते असतात. इट बिकम्स डार्क ऑन इट्स वे बॅक ॲज माय विलेज इज क्वाईट फार. आणि जेव्हा ते घरी परततात तेव्हा बराचसा अंधार झालेला असतो, कारण त्याचे गाव हे फार दूर आहे शहरापासून. द रूट इज टफ अँड फुल ऑफ स्नेक्स अँड स्कॉर्पियन्स. तर इथे आपल्याला दिसतं आहे की शहरी आणि गावामध्ये जो फरक आपल्याला जाणवतो की किती कष्टाचं त्यांचं जीवन आहे, की लोक हे रोज आपल्या गावातून शहरामध्ये येत असतात नोकरीसाठी आणि गावामध्ये काही दळणवळणाची सुविधा नसल्यामुळे लोकांना अडचणींचा सामना करावा लागतो. जसं इथे त्यांनी आपल्याला कवीने दाखवलं आहे की त्यांच्या गावामध्ये रस्ता नाही आहे चांगला आणि त्यामुळे गावकऱ्यांना जे शहरामध्ये कामासाठी जातात ते जेव्हा परततात तेव्हा त्यांना या अशा संकटांना सामना करत म्हणजे अगदी भयानक रस्त्याने जिथे साप विंचू यांची म्हणजे भीती असते अशा ठिकाणी मार्ग काढत त्यांना घरी पोचावं लागतं. सुरक्षितता आपली पाहावी लागते. नायदर बस नॉर कार फ्लाईज. आणि हेही त्यांनी एक समस्या आपल्यासमोर मांडली की त्या गावामध्ये त्यांना शहरामध्ये पोहोचण्यासाठी कसलीही सुविधा नाही आहे, बस नाही किंवा गाडी, काही त्यांना सुविधा नाही आहे. वेन माय फादर रिटर्न्स होम आय एम अस्लीप. तर ही एक त्यांची तक्रार आपण म्हणतो आहे नाही की कवीने आपली एक तक्रार चंद्राला केलेली आहे की जेव्हा माझे वडील परततात तेव्हा मी झोपलेला असतो. अँड ही गोज बॅक अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग वाईल आय एम स्लीपिंग. आणि जेव्हा ते परत कामावर जातात तेव्हाही हा मुलगा झोपलेलाच असतो. ओ मून गिव्ह मी अ बास्केट फुल ऑफ मूनलाईट ऑन लोन. आणि म्हणून इथं कवीने चंद्राला सांगितलेलं आहे की तू मला लोनवर, असं नाही की मी फुकटात म्हणजे चांदण्या मागत नाही आहे, तर तू मला लोनवर चांदण्या दे, मी नक्की तुझे पैसे परत करेन. आय वॉन्ट टू लाईट द डार्क रूट सो दॅट माय फादर रिटर्न्स अर्ली. आणि त्या चांदण्यांच्या बिया घेऊन मला त्या अंधाऱ्या अशा रस्त्यांवर त्या पेरायच्या आहेत जेणेकरून तिथे प्रकाश होईल आणि माझे वडील हे लवकर घरी परत येतील. आय टू वॉन्ट टू हिअर फेरी टेल्स अँड स्टोरीज फ्रॉम हिम. तर त्या मुलाला आपले वडील हे लवकर घरी यावे असे का वाटते? त्याचं कारण त्यांनी इथे सांगितलेलं आहे की त्यांना आपल्या वडिलांकडून गोष्टी ऐकायच्या आहेत, पऱ्यांच्या कथा ऐकायच्या आहेत. ओ मून गिव्ह मी अ बास्केट फुल ऑफ मूनलाईट. आय वॉन्ट टू सॉ शेड्स ऑफ मून ऑन द साइड्स ऑफ द पाथ. आणि म्हणून ते इथे वारंवार चंद्राला विनंती करतात की हे चंद्रा तू मला चांदण्यांच्या बिया दे की जेणेकरून मी रस्त्याच्या दोन्ही कडेला त्या पेरू शकेन.
So friends, this is a very beautiful poem, Basket Full of Moonlight, which is written by Sunil Sharma. Now we will discuss about the chit chat questions. First question: did you like to hear bedtime stories when you were a child? The answer is I liked to hear bedtime stories when I was a child. Next question: who usually told you the bedtime stories? The answer is my mother, father, grandmother, grandfather. They told me bedtime stories. Third question: why did you like them? Any guesses, students? I like these stories because they were very interesting. Fourth question: do you still like to hear those stories again? Yes, I still like to hear those stories. Here in the poem Basket Full of Moonlight, the poet wants his father home early because he wants to listen fairy tales and stories from him. Here we can see that the child in this poem is very much fond of bedtime stories. This poem also shows us the love of child for his father. Now we will discuss about the margin questions. First question, what does the poet wish to get from the moon and why? Answer, the poet wishes to get one or two baskets full of moonlight from the moon. He wants to sow the seeds of moonlight on both sides of the path in his village. Next question, why is the road from the city to the village dangerous? The answer is, the road from the city to the village is dangerous because it is dark, tough, and full of snakes and scorpions. Here, in this poem, Basket Full of Moonlight, the poet Sunil Sharma tells us about the tough life of villagers. In the line, the whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back as the village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. In these lines, the poet tells us about the tough life and dangerous life of villagers. Next question, why does the poet want his father home early? Answer, the poet wants to listen fairy tales and stories from his father. So, he wants his father home early. The child wants to remove darkness and bring light among the darker paths. He wants to light the dark route so that his father returns early. Next question, how do you spend your evening time with your family members? Friends, this is a personal response question. So, here we can add our own points also with the help of the text given to us or poem and its meaning. We can write the answer of this question like, I spend my evening time with my family members by watching TV, playing carom, going to market, etc. Now we will discuss about the English workshop. Before discussing English workshop, I want to tell you about the bell icon and subscribe button. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get every videos and latest updates. The first question given in the English workshop is, complete the following sentences with the help of the poem. Such questions can be easily solved with the help of the given text, passage, poem. We can find out the same sentence given or similar meanings given in the text or passage. We can see here in the poem that, from the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to saw many small moons of the light. So here we find this answer of the question that the child wants to saw small moons of light from dash. The answer here we have to write down, from the city to his village. Next question, according to the child, the route of his village is tough and full of dash. So here in the poem we see the line that the route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Here we get the answer of this question, that according to the child, the route of his village is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. So here we can write that snakes and scorpions. Next question, the child wants a basket full of moonlight on dash. So what will be the answer here? The child wants a basket full of moonlight on lawn. In the poem, the line, O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. This line shows us that the child wants a basket full of moonlight on loan. Next question. The child wants to light the dark route so that his father returns early. In the poem, we can see that the child wants to light the dark route so that his father returns early. So here we can write that the child wants to light the dark route so that his father returns early. So students, can you tell me why does the poet want his father home early? The line in the poem shows us that I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. So here is the answer why the poet wants his father home early. Students, can you tell me why does the poet want his father home early? The line I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. Here is the answer why the poet wants his father home early. He wants to hear fairy tales and stories from his father. So he wants to light the dark route so that his father returns home early. Next question. Question number 2. Write down the describing words used for the following nouns. First one is moons. So here we can describe moons like using word small moons. So here write down small. Second is root. The word dark is used to describe root. Village, the whole village. Here poet tells about the whole village goes to the city. So here write down whole word. Morning is the early morning. He goes back early in the morning. So write down here early. Next question number 3. The child in the poem wants to solve the problems of his village. How can the child solve them with the following wishes? First one, give me moonlight basket full or 2 baskets full with seeds of moonlight. So here the answer is he can seek help of local people and urge the government or local bodies to provide lights on the roads from city to his village. Next question. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. So how can the child solve this problem? Here the answer is the child can take the help of villagers to build good roads and make the roads safe so that his father and other villagers can return early to their village. Next question. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. The answer is here that the child can take help of the villagers to build good roads and make the roads safe so that his father and other villagers can return early to their village. Next question number 4. Pick out and write the lines from the poem that prove the following. Question number A. Father reaches home late after dark. So what is the answer here? Here we can write the line, when my father returns home, I am asleep. This line shows us that the father of the child reaches home late after dark. The lines from the poem, it becomes dark on its way back as my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. These lines shows the difficulties of the father while he returns home in the evening and he gets late because of these difficulties. Next question number B. Eager to hear fairy tales from his father. So we have to find out the line having similar meaning here. The answer is I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. So friends, here is the reason why does the poet want his father home early. The answer that he wants to hear fairy tales and stories from him. So he wants his father home early. Next question number C. Remove darkness and bring light among the darker paths. So what is the answer here? The line, I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. This line shows that the poet wants to remove darkness and bring light among the darker paths. The line in the poem, I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path, shows us that the child wants to remove darkness and he wants to give bright light to his village among the darker paths. Question number 5. Write as many words as you can using FUL as suffix. So what is suffix here? When we add some words to the main word, it makes different word. So here we can add FUL as suffix to make another different word. Here are some examples of suffix: basketful, bucketful, doubtful, faithful, joyful, beautiful, useful, wonderful, handful, careful, soulful. Such examples can be written down here. After adding FUL as suffix, we can make different kinds of words. When we use FUL as suffix with the noun, that noun becomes an adjective. Friends, now we will see question number 6. Pick out the examples of alliteration and repetition from the poem. So here we can see that the poet Sunil Sharma has used different kinds of examples of alliteration and repetition. For example, the line basketful or two baskets full. Here the poet Sunil Sharma has used alliteration, figure of speech. Next sentence, snakes and scorpions, neither bus nor cart. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. These are some examples of alliteration. Friends, now we will see the next example of repetition. So, can you tell me which sentence has this figure of speech? Yes, the sentence, small, small moons of light. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. These are the examples of figure of speech repetition. The poet Sunil Sharma has used such words repeatedly, and here repetition becomes the figure of speech. Students, can you tell me what is the difference between alliteration and repetition? What is the difference in both of them? Just see the sentence, basket full or two baskets full. So this is the sentence which is having same sound of B. The sound of B is repeated here. So here the figure of speech is alliteration. Same sentence, snakes and scorpions, neither bus nor cart. These sentences also having the sound of S, N. So these sounds are repeated here. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. Here also we can see the sound of S is repeated here. So here the figure of speech is alliteration. When the sound of same letter is repeated in the same line, there alliteration is the figure of speech. When sound of the letter is repeated, the alliteration is the figure of speech. But when some words are repeated or some whole sentence are repeated here, the figure of speech is their repetition. We can see in the poem that small, small moons of light, O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. These are the examples of repetition figure of speech. Poet has used this figure of speech for the effectiveness to make the poem very effective and rhythmic. Now friends, we will see question number 7, that is appreciation of the poem. So here, while writing an appreciation of the poem, we have to mention first the title of the poem. So what is the title here? The title of the poem is Basket Full of Moonlight. Next point in the appreciation is poet. So who is the poet here? Who has written this poem? The poet is Sunil Sharma. Sunil Sharma has written this beautiful poem. Next point is rhyme scheme. Can you tell me what is the rhyme scheme here? Is there any rhyming pair? No, we can't find any rhyming pair here. So this is an example of free verse. Next point is figure of speech. So in this poem, the poet has used alliteration, repetition. Theme of the poem. Here, the poet has used desire theme. In the poem, we can see the child uses his imagination and requests moon to give him basket full of moonlight. So friends, if you like this video, please comment and subscribe and share to your friends also. Don't forget to subscribe my channel English Easy Learning. Always for you, for your help.